Well, tractor lost traction, so couldn't use the tractor, but we're still kind of using the tractor. We're still using electricity off the tractor to run a super winch, which is hooked up to this giant boulder over here. So let's see what gives first. The boulder, the stump, or that piece of webbing that I got tied around it. Let's see what happens. Let's get this thing ready to go. Put the clutch in. Set this to in. Well, how about that? The cable parted. Unbelievable. Never had that happen before. I'm gonna have to go to plan C.